Hey, I'm Blaine again. This is
Matt.
And I'm Dylan. And what we're going to do now is talk about the two different types of belay systems that we use here in Marietta. First one is our Tandem Prusik belay. Take a look down here because we've laid out the equipment for the Tandem Prusik belay system. If you'll notice that it is the same equipment that we use in the raised system at the base. So, first thing we're going to do is put in our carabiner and then start tying our Prusiks in. We have the long Prusik and the short Prusik. Matt's going to tie our short Prusik in, Dylan's going to tie in our long Prusik that's going to be loaded in with the pulley into the system. Back here, just the same thing as we showed you in some previous videos. Two anchors together in a load distributing system. The load distributing system comes together at the bear paw, and at the bear paw is where we're going to put our belay. So if you remember our acronym for loading the Tandem Prusik system, it's the short Prusik, followed by the long Prusik, and then finally the pulley. The way this works, it's a dead man belay, so if something was to happen to our belay man, it would actually stop the progress of the entire system and the rope, and our rescuer wouldn't just fall unimpeded. We're going to work this system nice and slow and just show you how it allows the belay man to safely control the fall of the rescuer should that happen. So go ahead, Matt. If you'll notice that he's got his hands up, he's got his thumbs out of the way of the rope, and he's just slowly pulling out slack as necessary. There's not a lot of slack in this rope. The more slack that we're to get here, the further our rescuer would fall if such an instance was to happen. That's all Matt has to do. Just continue to let him have some slack. All right, we're going to have Matt step back for a second, and we're actually going to show you how this system works by itself if the rescuer was to fall. So we're away from the system. If the rescuer was to at some point fall due to some type of catastrophic failure of the main line, take a look at what happens here. So a little slack goes through, but immediately the load is transferred into these Prusiks, which have caught him, captured his progress, and back into our anchors. So again, that is a Tandem Prusik belay system. It is a dead man system, whereas you can see Matt step totally away and the system still works by itself.